So guys, the EFF DP leaves the EFF and joins the MK. Floyd Shivambu, he's leaving the EFF and joining the Umkhonto Wesizwe party. So guys, Umkhonto Wesizwe, they've confirmed ukuthi Floyd Shivambu and as well as Mzwanele Manyi will be joining the Umkhonto Wesizwe. But ukuthi bajoina as what positions there, they haven't revealed yet. But mina, I suspect I will tell you later. Guys, you know the political landscape in South Africa, it started here. Yabona here. Julius Malema requested to have a tea with Ubaba 2021 February. And then Ubaba responded to it, yes, Thobela Mushabi, you can come to Nkandla and have a tea with me. Julius Malema, they went to Nkandla and had a tea. This is where all the strategies were planned, and Uguti, this is the way forward in terms of the political landscape. This is not something that was started like last year when the formation of the MK was done. Guys, this has been a long thing being planned. If somebody could give us the minutes of this meeting, we will understand why is the MK and the EFF doing this. Because of, guys, I can tell you, Floyd leaving the EFF to the MK, it's not something we should be surprised. We saw it coming. So guys, it is said on Monday, Floyd Shivambu, he was seen at Nkandla visiting Ubaba. So I'm not surprised, because like MK party, guys, if you can recall very well, MK party, they don't have a leader, like somebody like a commander-in-chief, and Floyd Shivambu is the perfect candidate for that position. I think Floyd moving from the EFF to the MK, bafuna umupha that position ukuthi abe commander-in-chief in the Umkhonto Wesizwe, because of like nangathi niya check isisa Awoduduzile and these other people, they don't have that strong leadership skill just like Abo Floyd. Because if you can recall, Abo Floyd, they started the EFF, guys. Abo Floyd, they've started the EFF and they know how to run the political party, you understand? So Floyd, my view, I think ukuthi Bayomenza commander-in-chief of the Umkhonto Wesizwe. And I think futhi if on the December conference of the EFF, Julius Malema, he will not come back as the commander-in-chief. I think Julius Malema, he will excuse himself, and then let's select the new leadership, and then I will be the Helen Zille of the EFF. Nkhumbule ukuthi kuno Helen Zille and then kuno Jon Steenhuisen, and then EFF ayinayo umuntu njengo Helen Zille that will be a ghost running the party. Julius Malema can be the Helen Zille of the EFF, and then Ubaba Jacob Zuma will remain the Helen Zille of the Umkhonto Wesizwe. Guys, as I want to tell you something about Ubaba Jacob Zuma. Ubaba Jacob Zuma, he's a mastermind. He's the mastermind of politics, if I can put it in that way. Because of, if you can look at the MK versus the EFF, MK and the EFF is the same thing. Because of, if you can look like in the beginning, the formation of the MK, it was just the disturbance of the ANC. And Futi being present with the EFF made disturbance for a very long time in the parliament for the ANC. And Guba West, because of the president of the ANC, Cyril Ramaphosa, he's helping these guys to destroy the ANC. President Cyril Ramaphosa, he's helping EMK and the EFF to destroy the ANC. The ANC, guys, it will be destroyed with like beyond recognition. Because of why I'm saying this, if you want to fix something, you fix something cut. You understand? Because of ANC, if ever they wanted to fix the ANC, Cyril Ramaphosa was supposed to step down and then bafake somebody new. And they can't let President Cyril Ramaphosa with a step it down because of ANC. They don't have somebody or influential and popular that will make the ANC to gain more votes. That's the reason they couldn't allow Cyril Ramaphosa to step down in the ANC. And guys, the other thing, like the person of Jacob Zuma, are people that have been in politics for a very long time. Mina, what I suggest, I think, EFF in this December, they are going to the conference. Julius Malema, he must excuse himself from being the commander-in-chief or for going for the presidency of the EFF. He must excuse himself. Julius Malema, he must just be an EFF chief whip or something. You understand? He must excuse himself as the leader of the EFF. People like Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, a chance, Veronica, a chance, Ompile, a chance, you understand? So that those people, they can come up with new strategies and win people's hearts in terms of votes. You understand? Because of, we all know, in the open border, it costed EFF like a lot, you understand? So, guys, that's my view. Julius Malema on the conference, he must excuse himself, and then Mbuyiseni Ndlozi go in avotele as the commander-in-chief, and then Julius Malema abengu Helen Zille of the EFF, and then in the MK party, Ubaba will continue as the Helen Zille of the MK party, and then Floyd Shivambu, definitely I'm suspecting he will be the CIC of the Umkhonto weSizwe, because of, remember, when they appointed Ubaba John Hlophe, they made it clear he will be the party leader in parliament. So it means MK ayinayo commander-in-chief. John Hlophe, he will be focusing on the parliament issues, and then Floyd Shivambu, they will select him as the commander-in-chief. That's what I'm suspecting. And then EFF must just give this guy a chance. Just give Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi a chance to be the leader of the EFF. A lot of things, they can happen. You understand? So, yeah, but guys, nevertheless, that's what I wanted to tell you. I'm not surprised Floyd Shivambu is leaving the EFF to the MK. It was pre-planned from that T. We all know. So, yeah, all in all, nevertheless, let's see ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuya phambili. But niyabona lo Cyril Ramaphosa, he understands the assignment that he was given in 1989. Ukuthi he must make sure ukuthi this party in 30 years time it was destroyed, and he's making sure that with ANC it will be beyond repair, guys. ANC, it will be beyond repair. Like ANC, if I'm not jolo or toxic, you understand? People are not happy with the ANC. And instead of like excusing himself from the ANC, he continues to stay in the ANC. So what happens now, jolo toxic? We would now beyond repair. That's what the ANC is gonna happen. By the time they realize the Cyril Ramaphosa must move from the ANC, it will be beyond repair, because of nobody will be able to fix the ANC. So if people want to fix the ANC, the sooner the better, and the better it's now, because of Ubaba. He's coming with everything to make sure he destroy this guy and the ANC. You understand? So yeah, let's see what kwenzakalani bantwana bekhaya. So we wish Floyd Shivambu all the best. Position yakhe azaba ayidonsa lapha ku MK. Obviously uyoba yi-commander-in-chief, so bakhona ukulwa kamnandi izipi. And then yeah, that's all, man. Take care, guys.